We will discuss about the standard library in the Python. Okay, so let me open Visual Studio Code and just create one more file. Just close the previous one, and I need to create one file that is standard library. Standard lib dot ipynb, a Jupyter notebook file. Make sure that your environment is selected. Just create code cell. So today we'll discuss standard library. What does it mean by standard library? Standard library means collection of modules. Okay, collection of module. What does it mean module? In previous video I have already discussed module is nothing. It is a uh, .py file, means Python file. Just create one package. In that package just create suppose you want to create your own module, so you can create a Python file, simple Python file, and that file can be treated as module. To treat it, my Python file is treated as a module. So what we need to do, just create a package. In that package just create one file with the name underscore underscore init underscore underscore .py. In previous video already I have discussed. So that is the init file is created. In that just create one file with the py extension, any file. Just name the file. That's uh, suppose you have a file, you want to make a module with mathematical operation functions. Okay, so in the just you can give the name of that module mathematical operation, or like that mathematical calculation. Give the meaningful name of the module file. Okay, and in that module file just you can create mathematical operation function like that I have created here. In previous video I have discussed already. So you can create your own module. Okay, and you can use anywhere in the project. Okay, so we will discuss today standard library. Means what does it mean? Standard library means collection of module. Okay, in this standard library we have collection of module, and that is already available. That is already available. We don't need to create, or we don't need to install anything. If we install Python, uh, then we get the standard library by default. Okay, if you want to uh, you make your own library, then you can create custom library, no problem. And many libraries are available. Okay, you just need to install the libraries you can install. Okay, there are many libraries available. You can install and you can use, no problem. Okay, but standard library, some basic library is by default provided by the when we set up the environment of Python, then by default we will get the default means standard library. Okay, when we install the package, uh, when we create the environment, and then by default the libraries, some libraries are provided by the Python, and that library will try to understand how to use and which are the standard libraries Standard library means there are many standard library provide to handle with files, date, mathematical function, regular expression, JSON, databases like that. Some standard library are provided. So just like standard library, just we have a math. Okay, import math. This is a standard. This is a standard library which is by default provided. We don't need to install anything separately. When we set up the environment of Python, then by default we get the standard library math. Okay, so suppose I have used math module. Okay, this is the and we can use as m. Okay, also we can use like that m dot each and every function we can access here. Okay, or we can use just like math. Here this math is nothing. Math is just a module. Okay, module the math.py is a file that is already created. Okay, built-in file. Okay, so we can use math. We can import math library, math module, and after importing, we can access all the function and method classes, whatever available variables we can access here after importing the math module. Okay, so I want to just give one example. Suppose math dot sqrt function, I want to get the square root of 3 like that. Like that I want to get the function of math library, math module, math library like that. Is there factorial is available? Yes, factorial is available. So if you can use the factorial of 4, you can use and just print here. You can use math and just use the method, seal method to seal the suppose I am sealing floor and seal. You know about the floor and seal like 5.5. Just we get the result. Just hit the play button, we get the result. Square root of 3, that is 1.73 like that. Factorial of 4, that is 24. When we use the seal and floor, you know, right? If the 5 point something, then it is just up and just get the integer value. Okay, if 5 point something 5.01 like that, then the seal means it's just converted and get seal means just uh, remove the decimal point and one digit up. Okay, this is the seal. If you use floor, then it will become as 5 nearest integer. Okay, is it will be converted if that is 5.55 plus. When you use seal on 5 plus value, then it will be converted to the nearest integer, that is 6. If you use floor means down. Okay, if something like that 5 point something or something, then it down means just remove the decimal point, and if 5 point something, then it will converted as 5. Floor means down, seal means up. Nearest integer up, seal means nearest integer up, and floor means nearest integer down. Okay, that's why at 5.5 that is converted to 6. Okay, and now we can this is the mathematical math module, math library, that is built in, no need to install anything. Okay, So like that we have random module that is come under the that come under standard library lib. Okay, what does it mean by random? Just import random, and just you can use what is does it mean by random integer means just use random dot rand int here you can use just 1 comma 15. Okay, what does it mean by just I will tell. Okay, what does it mean? And here you can just use random dot c, not c, random dot choice. Okay, what does it mean by just random dot choice will take list, so we can give the list a comma b comma b comma c comma d d. I have given this. What does it mean by random is a module and this is the function? Why a rand int function? What does it, what it will do? This is picking, rand int will pick random integer between 1 to 15. Okay, this is random integer, pick random integer, pick random integer between 1 to 5 means whenever you run, each and every time it will pick random integer, means from 1 to 15 it will pick random integer. Okay, means sometime 1, sometime 5, sometimes 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Means to say that from 1 to 15 it will pick the integer value randomly. Okay, that is rand int will do. Okay, and here random dot choice, what it is doing, it will pick random choice, means it will pick randomly, one character will be picked each and every time when you run this program, then each and every time it will pick the random integers between 1 to 15, and this random choice will choose a random character each and every time. Okay, random character it will pick. Suppose I have run, then first time it will pick 1 and b, second time I have run 8 and c, third time 9a, 8d, 9d, 5d. Okay, it will pick between the integer will be picked rand int, that is the function which randomly pick the integer between 1 to 15, and this random dot choice method is just select the random choice, means random any character will be picked randomly at runtime. Whenever you execute it will be uh, different value it will be pinged. Okay, this is the random module that come under the standard library, and in the random module we have multiple method, but I have given two example, yeah, with the function randint and choice. Okay, now we have date time, date time module. This is also come under the standard library. These are on the standard come under the standard library. So I will use import and just use date time. Suppose I have date time dt. Okay, 1 second. From date time, sorry, import date time, date time, comma time delta. You can use this is the this is the module, and from this module I want to import this and this, and this have many method. Date time have many methods, time delta have many methods. Okay, from this I want this import. What we are importing, these are the module. Okay, and this is the package module is come under the package. Okay, this is the package, and under this package we have two modules. Okay, so I have imported two modules and that belongs to this package. Okay, so I will use that. Suppose just create a variable now equal to that time dot now, that time dot now. This is the function, and the current date time is assigned in now variable, so we can print now. Okay, and second case, just in future date, if you want to just create a variable future equal to now means current date time plus time delta, just you can use time delta, and days, 2 days added. Okay, 2 days added. Suppose this is date time dot now method will give the current date. Just I printed this one, and in now means current date. I want to add 2 days more in the now. In the now means current date. I want to add 2 days. Future means I want to add 2 more days in the current date. Okay, so time delta, you can use time delta and you can add 2 days. Days equal to 2, 3, 4, like that. You can add. If you want to add just a month, month, no, month is not there. Year is available or not? 1 second, just check. Year is available. Year, no, year is not available. You can just use days. Okay, days equal to 2. I want to add it 2 days more in this, so just print this one also. Print future. I have added 2 days in the current 2 days. Future means uh, tomorrow and day after tomorrow, that is 2 days added in the current date. So I have when I executed this one, so 2 days date is this one, 2 days date and time is this one, and I have added 2 days in the current days. 2 days date, I have added 2 days future means day after tomorrow and one more day, day after tomorrow. This is the date. Okay, so you can add the current date, you can add whatever date you want to add in the current date, you can use using time delta. This is the also a standard library, and from this standard library, this is a date time. Date time is a package, and from this package I imported two modules that is common, that is date time and time delta. And from time delta, we have many date time, we have many method, time delta have many method, so you can use that. Just import is used to import the module, okay, and from is used to use for package, from the package, from package I want to import this and this module, okay. Just like this is a table and this is the column, from this table I want two columns, okay, like that. So this is the date time regarding date time. This is the module we can access, and we can here using date time you can use many method we have, like that combine day past are like that, we have many method you can just use, okay. This is the regarding date time, okay. Just I'm giving the overview of a standard library where we discuss about the custom libraries, and uh, using the libraries do some some operation, like we I want to write some files, okay, and I want to read the files. I want to write CSV file. I want to get the data from CSV file. I want to interact with database, like that. If we need a different libraries, so we'll install and use the different libraries if required. Okay, but this is the what about the standard library? Just we are discussing one by one, and in future we will discuss about the more libraries in Python. 300k plus libraries, I think, okay. So we can't discuss each and every library, okay. So whatever the library is mostly used, that we can discuss, okay. So according to your need you can just install and use, but the standard library which is mostly used, that we are discussing in the videos one by one, okay. Today's video and in future videos we'll discuss what is mostly used libraries, okay. So now we'll just discuss the OS module. OS module, there, module interact to operating system, okay. Import OS and just print OS dot get current working directory, get CWD current working directory. Just you can get the current working directory, you can get using this method, okay. And or print, you can print, or just you can use OS dot, we have many methods, OS dot we have many method, okay. See uh, ch mode, change directory, like that. We have many things. So you can use the mkdir to create directory, okay. So if you want to create the directory, you can use mkdir, okay. So test, suppose I want to create a directory with a test underscore folder, okay. It will create the directory, create folder, directory means folder, okay. Create folder, when we run, then first we'll get the current directory in which this program is written, okay. This program is written under the uh, whatever the package, under this my package. So when we run d python basics my package, this is come, this is this standard library that ipynb file is available under this package, this folder my package. So current directory, current folder is this one, and the in this directory one folder is created, that is test underscore folder. You can see test underscore folder is created, mkdir test, because I have used mkdir make directory test folder. So in this particular in this current directory the test folder is created. See, you can see there is nothing in this folder. Okay, so using this we can using os module we can do like this operation, like these operation. Okay. And one more directory, one more sorry, one more module like that, sys sys module. So we can import sys, and we can just use print sys dot version. So we can print the version using this, and using print sys, the sys dot path, just we can get the path and version. Okay, here you can see the version and path is available here in a code. Version and path is available. Okay, version is this one and path is this one. This is the version. Version means Python version 3.13.5. This is the Python version. Sys dot version is Python version, which version we are using. So we can use get the version of Python using sys dot version. And this is the sys dot path. This is the path where the anaconda file is installed. Okay, the DLL. Regarding this file, where is regarding this standard library at IPYNB is used here. So regarding this, we are getting the path, system path. Okay, so using this we can do, and we have another module like JSON. Using JSON, we can just import JSON, and we can do the operation like that. We have data. Suppose we have data in the form of dictionary. Okay, colon name key value pair, that is John, comma age, colon be like this. We have some data like this. Okay, and I want to just create JSON string, JSON underscore str. I want to convert this as JSON string. So use JSON dot dumps. Sorry, dumps. JSON dot dumps, and we can pass the data here. So we are creating the this uh, dictionary as a JSON string. Okay, so just I have created using the JSON dot dumps. I have just created created this dictionary in JSON string. Okay, and this string hold the JSON string. I have converted and hold it in JSON string. Okay, and just print the JSON string. Print JSON string. JSON str just I printed. Okay, now we can just convert JSON string to its native type. Okay, and we can check the type of this. First, we can check the type of data here. Just print type of data. Just you can print the type of data. Okay, and now here after conversion, you can print the type of JSON string. JSON string. You can just print the type of JSON string. Okay. You can just print the type of JSON string and just print the JSON string also. Type and data also. After that, I want to just convert into the back whatever the type is available that in that type I want to convert. I want to again. Okay. Then use the load method. Loads. Okay, and just pass the JSON string. JSON string you can just pass and convert to its type, whatever the type, what was the type of this previously. So just print back type back. Okay, so using this we can print this. Previously it was dictionary, after that it is converted as a string. Okay, so you can just get the type and string. Just it was previously I have converted in string format. After that we have converted dictionary form. Okay, so you can convert like that using JSON and dot dumps. You can convert the dictionary to string format. After you can use the JSON dot loads to convert dictionary to no sorry JSON string to dictionary. Using JSON dot loads method, we can convert a string to dictionary, and using dumps method we can convert dictionary to JSON string. Like that we are created and folded. Okay, so you for the regular expression just we have RE module. RE means regular expression. So just we can use import RE regular expression, and just I have given the text like that. Suppose we have a text, my phone number is we have a dummy number like that. Okay, and use match variable. Just match variable equal to regular expression dot search is a method, and just pass r code backslash d that that and we need to pass the text. Okay, and you can just print match dot group. re dot search. Mm, why it's showing wrong? Backslash t digit 10 times. Okay. Not none. We are getting none. Yeah, right. Group. I think we have used groups. Okay, group. Okay. Just I have uses the my number is this like this, and from this number I have using the regular expression re dot search. Using this pattern in this text, I am searching this. I am searching the number, so I have searched the number and match number is hold here, and that is using the match dot group we are getting the number. Okay, like that we can get the OTP from text message. Okay, when we are getting the message text message, from that automatically our phone get the OTPs, like that, like this logic is implemented in that. Okay, we are just getting the from the message, just you are passing if you get the, if you want to get the 4-digit OTP, then here you can pass the 4 and just replace 10 to 4. If you want to get 6 digit OTP, then you replace 10 to 6. Okay, you can get. Okay, what does it mean by let me explain what does it mean by the backslash d regular expression means backslash d means that is denoted as the number number from 0 to 1 to 9. Okay, number from 0 1 to 0 to 9, 0 to 9. Okay, and this tells number of times, this tells number of times, that means 10 times. From 0 to 9 number will be between 0 to 9, and this tells the number is between 10 times, 0 to 9 10 times. Okay, this is the digit, any number of digits between this to this range, but this tells the number of times. And why this r is that means this is the rise string, rise string. Okay, because the rise string, if you don't use r here, then it will, our compiler will understand this slash d, backslash d is a escape sequence character, but backslash d is not any escape sequence character. That's why it make an error. Okay, that will in that case we will get an error. Okay, if you remove the R means this is treated as the raw string. Okay, and this is ignore the backslash, like that character backslash forward slash, this is ignored using the R. Okay, if you don't use R, then compiler understand that backslash is escape sequence character, but backslash D is not any escape sequence character. That may give error. In that case we will get an error. That's why this is needed. Or okay, so like that we have some libraries, these are discussed. Okay, these are standard libraries and many more libraries are available. Standard library, one by one we will discuss, and in tomorrow's video I will just discuss the libraries regarding whatever the library used to read and write the files. Okay, means to say we will discuss on the file handling topic. Okay, in file handling topic we will use the some libraries. Okay, to read the file and to write the file from the, to read from the file, the data read from the file and data write to the file. We will discuss using some libraries we will do. Okay, now this is the discussion regarding the standard library. Just I am giving the overview how to use the libraries. Okay, and in previous video just I have discussed the package, how to create the package or our own package, and how to use our own package in Python. So already I've discussed, you can see the previous video. Okay, that's all. Thank you. Then thank you for today. Okay, we'll discuss file handling topic in next video. Okay, thank you. Good night.